Hi friends, welcome to Rianza Bakes. Today we'll make chocolate hot cross buns using a very simple recipe. No machine, no hand kneading. Just mix all the ingredients to make the dough, proof it, shape it and bake it. So it's such an easy recipe and the buns are super soft and delicious. So let us make these delicious chocolate hot cross buns using a very simple method. If you like the recipe, please don't forget to press the like button and do try out the recipe. So to make the buns, first we'll take 3/4 teaspoon of instant yeast, 50 grams of sugar, 3.5 tablespoons, 150 ml of lukewarm milk, 1 egg. If you don't want to use egg, you can add 50 ml more of milk. Mix it well. And if you're using active dry yeast, first activate the yeast and then mix in the flour. Here I have taken 250 grams of maida or all-purpose flour and into that 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. We'll mix this into the yeast milk sugar mixture. Add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and about half teaspoon of nutmeg. You can use any other spices of your choice like cinnamon or cardamom. Mix it well. The flour should be well combined. Now the dough is well mixed. Into this we'll add 2 tablespoons of soft butter and mix it into the dough. Mix it well so that the butter is well incorporated into the dough. Now the butter is mixed in. Cover with a cling film or a damp kitchen towel and we'll allow this to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now after 15 to 20 minutes, we'll add about 50 grams of chocolate chips. This is optional, or if you want, you can add some raisins or any other dry fruits or soaked fruits. Now we'll just mix in the chocolate chunks into the dough. Now the chocolate chunks are well mixed into the dough. We'll allow it to rest for about 1 to 1.5 hours till the dough becomes double in size. Now the dough has risen well. We'll give it a short knead and transfer it onto a work surface to just shape the dough. The dough has become so soft and elastic and the gluten is well developed. Here the gluten is developed not by kneading but by the hydration and resting of the dough. Transfer the dough onto the work surface and we'll divide this into 6 equal portions. Each portion will be about 95 to 96 grams. We'll make balls of each portion. As the dough is quite sticky, we'll use enough of flour and then tightly pull the dough into the center and make nice tight buns like this. And we'll transfer this onto a baking sheet. greased baking sheet or a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and we'll allow this to proof till doubled in size. To make the cross, here I have taken 2 tablespoons of flour and half tablespoon of icing sugar, and add 2.5 tablespoons of water little by little to make a dough like this. Now we'll transfer this on into a piping bag and pipe the crosses onto the proofed buns. I have already uploaded hot cross buns video. If you are interested, do check it out. Now we have piped the crosses for all the buns. Now we'll bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes or till the buns are done. Do try the recipe. It's very delicious and your family will love it. Now the buns are beautifully baked. We'll brush it with some sugar glaze. This is made by just boiling 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of water, and we'll apply it once it is baked, and our delicious chocolate hot cross buns are ready. It's so easy to make these at home, so please do try the recipe. Hope you liked the video. If you liked the recipe, don't forget to press the like button and do share the recipe with your friends and relatives. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. See you with another video. Bye.